It's been one of those weeks, ladies and gents. Not the great kind, where you're flying high and can't do no wrong. Nah, I'm talking one of those weeks where the world piles on top of you and all you have to dig yourself out is a used spork someone left at your desk. But we're here because we make time for what matters. So today, we're taking a quick 10-minute break to do final touches on the Rocky Mountain mural stained glass project before we give it a bath and spit shine. Okay, we'll polish it better than that, I promise. In case you're wondering, yes, I take days to do soldering. But it's for good reason. One, my life is crazy busy. But more importantly, two, I've found that stepping away and coming back to a project reveals previous blind spots in my work. All those crater holes? Didn't see those last time. That one spot of foil that just never got hit with the iron? Didn't see that one either. Stepping away and coming back to it the next day gives me a fresh perspective and allows me to better critique whoever the schmuck was that first soldered this. My goodness, that guy needs to watch my videos. Why is this stained glass art on a towel? Great question. Insulation, my dear cubs. You ever notice you don't get solder melting through when you're soldering the first side of your project? It's only when you're soldering the second side. I'm no scientist, but I'm pretty sure it has to do with the lack of insulation. When you're soldering the first side, the glass is flush on the surface. But when you're soldering the second side, now the glass is raised up because the solder and the border are touching the surface and raising the glass. That gap between the glass and your surface, I think, is the culprit. So I lay my art on a towel because I don't get blowouts. Quick question, does anyone else rub their hands all over their soldering lines to check for pokies? I highly recommend it. It's crazy how you can catch things based on feel that you couldn't otherwise see. Not sure what you're feeling for? Oh, you'll know it when you feel it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tap the follow button if you enjoy seeing stained glass art get created one process at a time. From a guy already having a better week, now that I'm making time to make art and make video content to help all the other artists out there. What's up? Rising tides, people. Raise all boats.